Before Rome, before cathedrals, before Shakespeare and the Industrial Revolution, there was Athens, a small city, but one that produced ideas so powerful they shaped the entire world. At the center of it all stood a man who never wrote a book, never charged a fee, and spent his life asking questions. His name was Socrates. He was born around 470 BCE, the son of a stonemason and a midwife. Not a nobleman, not a politician, just a soldier turned thinker who wandered the streets of Athens barefoot, talking to anyone who would listen. Politicians, poets, craftsmen, even children. No one was safe from his questions. This became known as the Socratic Method, asking simple but piercing questions until people realized they didn't understand what they thought they knew. What is justice? What is courage? What makes a life worth living? Socrates believed the answers mattered more than wealth, power, or reputation. To him, the greatest task was to take care of your soul. By seeking truth and virtue, he admitted, "I know that I know nothing." And that humility, recognizing your own ignorance, was the beginning of wisdom. For him, wrongdoing wasn't born from evil, but from ignorance. If you truly understood the good, you would naturally choose it. To know was to act rightly. But Athens wasn't always grateful. After decades of war and political turmoil, the city looked for scapegoats. In 309 BCE, Socrates was put on trial for corrupting the youth and not honoring the city's gods. Before a jury of 500 citizens, he defended himself boldly, refusing to beg for mercy. His famous words still echo, "The unexamined life is not worth living." The jury condemned him to death. Offered a chance to escape, he refused. Instead, he calmly drank the cup of poisoned hemlock, surrounded by his friends. To the very end, he lived what he taught, that truth and virtue are worth more than life itself. Socrates left no writings, but he left disciples. The greatest of them, Plato, turned Socrates' life into the foundation of Western philosophy. And Plato's student Aristotle built the sciences, logic, and ethics we still study today. Through them, Socrates still speaks, reminding us that questioning, doubting, and seeking truth is the path to wisdom.